Launch Shortcuts app. Look for Automation section at the bottom of the screen. Select Create Personal Automation. Scroll all the way down and select Open App. Scroll down and select FaceTime. Hit Done. Now select Next. Select Add Action. Search for Do Not Disturb. Select it and tap on this off button to toggle it on. Now hit Next. Now put this toggle off. Ask before running. Hit Don't Ask. And finally hit Done. Now you can see that your automation is ready. Now whenever you launch FaceTime app to call someone, iPhone will run this automation and put the Do Not Disturb mode on automatically. As you can see, the Do Not Disturb mode is on. Now you can continue talking to your friends without any disturbance, no notifications, and you can apply this automation to any app on your iPhone. So you just want to figure out the app you want to apply this automation to and elevate your iPhone experience. So that's all for today. I hope you guys found this useful. Stay tuned and I'll see you guys in the next one.